Welcome back, students. This is the second section, and according to our schedule for the second section, we are going to learn from speaking tutor 2A. Okay, students, so look at this. This is new unit, unit 6, and this unit is the last unit in speaking tutor 2A, students. Special events and special people. What does it mean, special event? Okay, you know already about events and you know already about people. So who are the special peoples and what is the special events that you will learn in this unit? Okay, students, so lesson 1, what are the Paralympics? Okay, Paralympics. So the Paralympics over here means talk about the Olympic Games. Okay, that this game is created for disabled people. Okay, for the people who don't have ability, who lack of some ability, like cannot hear something, cannot see something. Okay, we talk about it like this. Okay, students. So every new lesson we often learn about new vocabulary. So teacher have until 8 vocabulary that want to teach all of you, and after that you require to do one exercise to make sure that you can remember about, to get you right to know that how much you can remember about those words. Okay, students, so now teacher would like you to open your book to page 104. Then you will see the lesson that we are going to learn for today, students. Okay, page 104, then you will see the lessons that we are going to learn for today. Okay, new unit, students, so we used to skip the warm-up part first because as you know already with me, every new lesson teacher will teach you about new vocabulary. So a warm-up we will learn in next session. Okay, good. Students, so vocabulary. So let's teacher read all of this vocabulary for you. The first, the Paralympics. Okay, the Paralympics. Letter B, death. C, cheering. D, non-decibel. E, president. F, wheelchair. G, physical disabilities. Okay, physical disability. 8, plant. Plant, physical disability, wheelchair, president, non-decibel, cheering, deaf, Paralympics. Again, Paralympics, cheering, president, physical disabilities, deaf, non-decibel, wheelchair, plant. Okay, let teacher explain you. Okay, Paralympics is such we call the sport game. Okay, we talk about the games, really not sport game. Talk about the Olympic Games that this a game for the disabled people. Okay, for disabled people. Talk about the people who lack of hearing or seeing. Okay. Next, deaf. We talk about the people who lack, or we can say a lacking of hearing. Okay, of hearing. Next, cheering. Supporting means supporting. Okay, we cheer for someone in the game. Next, non-decibel. Okay, students, so look at non means no. Okay, no. Decibel means lack of ability to do something. So non-decibel means talk about the people who can do something. Okay, can do something. Okay, so non-decibel. So non-dec means able. All right, mean like this. A non-decibel. So decibel means cannot do something. Non-decibel can do something. Right? You understand with this? President. You know already about the word president, all right? Chair, no, wheelchair, wheelchair. Okay, wheelchair, this is wheel, this is chair. So we talk about the chair that have wheel, okay? The chair that have wheel. Next, physical disabilities. Physical disability, we talk about the people who disabled to do something, okay? Next, plant. So plant, we talk about people who cannot see, right? Plant, we cannot see something, okay? Good. Now that's all for the vocabulary, everyone. Let teacher read all of this vocabulary for you again. Paralympics, cheering, president. A president, we talk about the people who control the country, right? Or who manage the country. Physical disability, deaf, non-disabled, wheelchair, plant. Okay. Now let's do the exercise, students. So open your book to page 104 all together. Then you will see the exercise that you are going to do. Okay, over here, students. So you have book. Open your book to page 104. Then you will see the exercise over here. Use the vocabulary in the box to complete into the correct blanks over here. Okay. All right. Teacher will write it just only number. Okay, as you can see the number in order over here from 1 to 6. Okay, and then for the answer, teacher will write about the letter only. For example, number 1. Number 1 with the letter E. So president. So teacher just write letter E only. Got it? Okay. So to make this video short, right? We have to do like this. Let's do it. The first one have been done for you. A. Who is that man giving a speech at the stadium? Okay. B. Don't you know that he is the president of the Paralympics? Oh, president of the Paralympics means who manage or who control, the one who control this game, okay? About the Paralympics game. So, okay, let's write black marker. For number 1 with letter D, letter E, sorry. Letter E. Okay, number 2. Who are you blah 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 for? Blah 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 for. So in the game, that athlete who is about to throwing the javelin. I hope he throws a world record. Okay, so he cheer for someone. Okay, so he cheer for someone or who's he support someone. So with letter C. 3. He cannot walk. He cannot walk by himself. Okay. He cannot walk by himself. Yes. A lot of people who have blah 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 use a what? Okay. So you know that if we talk about the people who cannot walk, right? So it should be physical disability, and use a. So he cannot walk, right? He cannot walk. Should be he will use wheelchair, okay, into the game. So with the letter G and letter F. So G and F. Okay. Number 4, students. Number 4, I didn't know they had an Olympics for people. Okay, Olympic for people with disability. Okay. So B, yes, blah blah blah. Started in 1960. We talk about the game. So this event, right? Talk about the event. What event is it? Okay, this event. Paralympics game started 1960. Okay, so with letter A. Number 5. What sort of disability do the athlete have? Should be what things? Okay. Well, for example, some of them are blah 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 and cannot see. Okay, should be blind, right? Cannot see something. Letter H. Letter H. But some of them can run fast, run as fast as people. So they can run as a normal people, right? Okay, so normal people, it should be non-disabled. So non-disabled is the letter D. Comma, we still have one more. No? Number 6, the last one. A. My brother pretend to be blah blah blah. When our mother asked him to clean up. That's really lazy. Okay, so what's that? Which one is the best answer? One. So which one? Deaf, cannot hear when his mother asked him to clean up. So with the letter B. Okay, students, are you clear with this? If you're not clear, just open your book to page 104. Then read the vocabulary and look at the exercise again, and you can do it again on that page. Okay, students, thank you so much for watching. Now our video is coming to the end. Thank you so much. If you have any question, just leave your question below the video. And now let's teacher say goodbye to you tomorrow. Bye bye.